Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again with me, Kalisa Sasakirana. And in this occasion, I want to deliver my opinion, my comment, for this movie, Freedom Writers and the Scarlet Letter. And before I start my PowerPoint, I want you to know how I want to ask how are you today, and hopefully everything is alright. Everything is gonna be okay. And first of all, I wanna say thank you kalian udah mau nonton YouTube ini yang berisi tentang movies review. This is my first duty from Mr. Abdillah. Okay, I will start with Freedom Writers movie. Freedom Writers, this film explores how a tutor and 150 students use education to change themselves and the world around them. In fact, the debate is a real event. Freedom Writers is the story of how Gruel, a high school tutor, trains students who are thought to be illiterate. Di sini aku nulisin poin-poinnya, poin-poin penting, point of view of the Freedom Writers movie. Jadi akan aku jelasin di sini melalui laptop dan PowerPoint. Okay, I will continue. In effect, Gruel teaches students to use Zlata Vovic and Anne Frank's books to educate students on an importance of an open mind. Students answer the lecture or the teacher by making notes on their diary. In addition, students learn how to deal with violence and other pessimistic problems in their lives. Students make notes based on the analysis they obtain from Zlata Vovic and Anne Frank's book. Actually, this film is significant in teaching performance for multicultural education in the United States. Jadi Gruel di sini itu adalah guru dari anak-anak SMA ini di film Freedom Writers ini. America has seen an increase in international students who need to pursue a high-quality education. In fact, the response calls for educational reform to support all students from different cultural backgrounds. Indeed, Gruel implementation and instructional policy that empowers every student to achieve open-minded. Freedom Writers is a film that aims to promote multiracial social rights, calling for the integration of international social value. In fact, Swank Hillary is represented Gruel in the film as a high school teacher. Jadi Gruel di sini tuh ditempatkan oleh Swank Hillary ini sebagai guru SMA. Swank is disappointed when he realized that his students are unteachable. Maksudnya tuh dia tuh mengira kalau anak-anak itu susah untuk diajarin, susah untuk dikasih pelajaran gitu. Okay, I just explain a little bit about Freedom Writers movie because I think you all have already done studied Freedom Writers movie and the Scarlet Letter in the last semester, or you can watch trailer in the YouTube or download this film on the Google. Okay, next. Conclusion. Hilary Swank plays such films to influence people positively to develop an open mind that will embrace globalization. The purpose of multicultural education is to train teachers to provide effective and useful knowledge to all students. Indeed, multicultural education is focused on providing a holistic and integrated type of education to every student, internal and domestic. Jadi tadi kan ada dikatakan itu di sana culture background, berarti mereka tuh menganalisis culture background international and domestic, berarti anak luar negeri dan anak di dalam negeri. With equal opportunities to acquire global knowledge regardless of culture origin. Next, I put some pictures of Freedom Writers movie by Hilary Swank. First picture, second picture, and the third picture. The second picture maybe is a book from Freedom Writers movie. Mungkin ini bisa didapat di Gramedia, tapi lebih enak itu nontonnya guys, lebih dapat feels-nya, lebih seru. Karena aku orangnya nggak suka baca, jarang suka baca, makanya aku nggak terlalu pintar. Tapi kalau watching movie, film bahasa Inggris itu tuh aku tuh terlalu fokus dengan subtitlenya guys. Jadi tuh setiap nonton itu tuh ke atas bawah, jadi ke ngelihat subtitle film seperti itu. Ya, karena aku still learning, still study. Okay. Next, the Scarlet Letter movie review. The story you may remember involves a Puritan woman. If you are asking to me what is a Puritan woman, I don't know. Karena aku juga masih bingung guys. Aku juga masih mencari-cari apa sih Puritan woman ini. Mungkin kalau menurut pandangan aku, Puritan woman ini tuh adalah kayak orang-orang bangsawan atau orang-orang kolonial. Seperti itu. With the name Hester Prynne yang diperankan oleh Demi Moore, who is found to be pregnant even though her husband has not yet arrived in the Massachusetts Bay Colony and his further. Di sini tuh menjelaskan kalau si Hester Prynne itu hamil, tapi aku nggak hamil, tapi hamil entah hamil di luar nikah atau gimana, karena di sini tuh dikatakan kalau suaminya itu tuh udah meninggal. Okay, next. After refusing to name the father of her child, jadi ini father of itu suami dari Hester Prynne ini, Hester was curious to write letters on her bodies. Her daughter Pearl was born and grew up as a willful little vixen. It is revealed that the child's father is Arthur Dimmesdale. Berarti Arthur Dimmesdale ini as Hester's husband, yang diperankan oleh Gary Oldman. The local Blue Nose leader who denounced Hester, and then her long lost husband Roger Prynne yang diperankan oleh Robert Duvall, appears, assumes another identity, and tries to determine who is the thief of his wife's affection. And then the film cleverly turns his big speech into a rousing call for sexual freedom. Jadi film ini tuh ada kaitannya itu dengan seks begitu guys. Jadi di sini tuh aku nggak fokus tentang seksnya, tentang apa, tapi dan ceritanya. Jadi makanya lebih enak tuh kalian tuh langsung nonton gitu. Sexual freedom and religious tolerance. Instead of dying of a guilty convulsion, he takes the noose from Hester's neck and pulls it around his own neck, only to be saved when the Indians attack, driving a burning wagon through the village. The roles of puritanical local ministers are developed into supporting actors, and Dimmesdale is left to wander coil, keeping his guilty secret about Hester Worthbeck, with eyes pleading for forgiveness and understanding. And also, director Roland Joff mengatakan bahwa this book is set in a time when the seeds were sown for the bigotry, sexism, and lack of the tolerance that we still struggle with today. The Scarlet Letter ini tuh berdasarkan kejadian, maksudnya tuh masih berjalan sampai sekarang, yang kalau misalnya tentang seks itu tuh masih agak susah toleransinya. Makanya di sini dikatakan lack of tolerance that we still struggle with today. With today itu di tahun ini, di era ini, di zaman sekarang gitu. Karena ini tuh berlangsung dari 17 abad ke-17 sampai 19th century. Oke. The rest of this film is more or less what I described before, albeit longer and longer. A spooky melodrama develops after Hester's husband arrives, played by Robert Duvall as if he's never had sex in his life and doesn't want anyone else to tag along either. And ini ada yang menariknya guys, is interested. The moral of these films boils down to, why does this bad guy have to stand between these two good young people? This film has removed the bulk of the character and therefore also the drama of the story. Maksudnya di sini tuh kenapa sih di moral ini tuh kenapa sih harus ada dua bad guy yang berkecimpungan dengan dua anak muda yang baik hati gitu loh. And then Hollywood has taken that troubled old novel and made it cinematic, so I'm afraid and still pretty solid. Jadi seperti itu kira-kira cerita tentang The Scarlet Letter ini. Dan I put some picture in my PowerPoint. First picture you can see in the cover of the film. Itu kalian bisa lihat couple dengan, kenapa tadi dikatakan satu ada seksnya tuh berarti kita bisa lihat dari seperti ini guys. Misalnya kalian lagi nonton di bioskop, kalian nonton film yang kalau kita lihat dari cover itu tuh bisa tahu, oh ini film tuh ada mengandung kissing, mengandung cuddle, seperti itu. Misalnya kalian nonton horor nih, di situ kalian ngelihat dia kayak makan daging manusia, berarti di situ tuh mengandung thriller gitu. Ya seperti itu. Jadi di sini tuh di first picture ini kita bisa lihat film itu mengandung seperti ini. Yang second picture sama third picture ini nih I think actor and actress film The Scarlet Letter. Ini sangat menarik, it's very interesting untuk ditonton dan banyak moral value-nya loh guys. Tapi ini I'm so sorry. Thank you for watching my movies review. I'm so sorry for my mistake. Aku harap kalian bisa ngerti apa yang aku jelasin tentang movie ini. Nah, setidaknya ada 1, 2, 10 kata lah yang kalian ngerti tentang film ini. Karena aku juga masih belajar. Dan terima kasih. See you for the next time. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.